So let's start this video with my trusty old water bottle. And as you see, this has been on quite some adventures. Yeah, it's made of aluminium, so it stands very easy. I got this little carabiner hook here and a self-made container for water purification tablets. And I will show you how to make this in a different video. So, but the question is, if we want to boil water in it, how can we do this? We could put it directly in the fire, but that's not good. And yeah, boiling water in an aluminium bottle is also not a good idea, but in case of emergency, or if you use a stainless steel bottle, which I didn't dig out yet, yeah. How can we put this over a fire? Hang it over a fire. Yeah, and I saw something very good here on YouTube, and I will show you how to make it. So, today's project is actually quite useful, and it's not my idea. I saw it on Real Big Monkey 1's channel, and I will link the original video down below. But what I did, it's a bit of a altering of it. I took a bike cycle spoke, just the piece I had, and I did bend it around a wooden rod, so it looked like this. It was a bit too long, and it had, of course, the ends, so I used those horrible pliers to snap them off. What I now do is I will just take them like this. I do it other way around, just like this, just holding them in it and bending it. So it looks like this. So I do the same thing again. Trying to not bend in the wrong direction. Yeah. Yeah, trying to bend it in the right direction. This way. And in case you're wondering why there is duct tape around my pliers, they are made out of a rubberized plastic kind of stuff that smells horrible. And so, yeah. So it looks when it is finished. It's quite springy. Yeah, and here you see it hanging from a chain. A very good idea actually. I really like this. Yeah, and it is so easy to make. You just take this, squeeze it, put it in your bottle. Yeah, if you manage to squeeze it together enough, just like this. Put it inside, open it, and it locks in. So you can hang it over your campfire. And so, yeah, we're back with my water bottle. And the bottle hanger I just made. I just compress it a bit and put it in here, and it hangs there and it won't fall off. Isn't it great? You just take, yeah, something like put a chain through it, a rope, or hang a carabiner hook and hook it on just like this. Yeah. And it hangs perfectly over your fire. But yeah, that's not the bottle I actually use to boil water in, because it's aluminium and painted. But yeah, this works really, really good. And yeah, I hope you check out the original video. He makes a far better version of this than I do. And yeah, he got better tools than this dollar store piece of pliers. It's terrible. Trust me. It actually is already bent a bit. But what shall I do, man? I could take my good ones, but they are out of reach. And yeah, so Hope you have enjoyed this video, and well, till next time, like, subscribe, and whatever. Yeah. And as it is quite springy, I just stuck it through that little keyring here, and it's now fixed onto it. Huh. And now let me take 2 minutes to get this nice hand-drawn thumbnail art. Yeah, I was just sick of fiddling around in Microsoft Paint. And yeah, buying a Photoshop license, no way. So I took some of my old childhood pens and, well, I have made this piece of art. No, it wasn't my child. I have no child. Not yet. Yeah. This tool is actually called, I have looked it up, a fish mouth spreader, used by fishers to hang their fishes. Not quite comfortable for the fish, I think. And yeah, as it is just a bent piece of metal, you can of course use it for something else if you have to. You can rebend it to other shape or something. And yeah, it's definitely something I will keep together with my bottle, with my backpack, because it is useful. There's always a chance I have to hang someone over fire, something over fire. Oh man, that's the voiceover part, and I don't restart it. Yeah, and by the way, I actually have to get me a new tent. Yeah, as I look on the drawing of the tent, I did lend it to my sister, and she used it to go to a rock concert. Yeah, she came back, but the tent didn't. It apparently somehow mysteriously got trashed. Yeah. Hey, maybe I make a tent DIY. That's actually quite a good idea. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Well, subscribe, like, and any comments are welcome.